Hi there, my name is Jody Seibert, founder and owner of Fixture Accounting. What you'll find on this channel is very practical tips and tricks to do your bookkeeping and run your business. I'm a career accountant with a Bachelor of Science in Accounting. Fixture Accounting was started in 2010 after an unexpected job loss in a recession in a small town, no jobs to apply for. So I started answering ads on Craigslist to help small business owners just like you with your bookkeeping. And that's how Fixture Accounting was launched, just by answering ads on Craigslist to help business owners with their small business accounting. Since then, working with business owners just like you, I've seen your struggles, I've heard your questions, I've heard your frustrations. And that's what you find on this channel is very short, useful, targeted videos answering specific questions that I answer all the time. You're not alone in your struggles, and they're not silly questions. I hope you find this channel useful. Please subscribe and come back often. Thank you.